As someone who has gone through divorce, I know what heartbreak is. I've gone through heartbreak. I've picked myself up. I've leveled up. And I've done everything that I could to make myself better, healed, and started to date again. I'm going to help you if you're struggling. If you're watching this video and you're going through that and you want the tips and tricks on how I managed to do that, then this is the right video for you. Anyway, whilst I'm doing my skincare routine, I'm going to be showing you the products I'm going to be using. I'm going to be washing my face with CeraVe. It says CeraVe Hydrating Cleanser, this one. And I'm also going to be using the DHC Facial Cleanser. This one removes the makeup and other facial impurities. And after that, just rinse my face, and I'm going to be moisturizing my face with CeraVe. Okay, so let me just do the first step, and then I'll tell you the CeraVe that I've just applied on my skin. So yeah, and I got divorced when I was in my late 30s. No, mid 30s. Life was not easy, guys. I felt like I was gonna die, you know. I felt like I was dying. I felt like something has been plugged out of me. It was not easy. There are times when I used to wake up and my whole face is swollen. The reason why it was swollen, I don't even know. That's the depression that comes with going through a divorce. You see, so all that happened. Sometimes I would go to work with my pajamas. I would wear a tunic on top of my pajamas. That's the same cleanser. Just want to add more. And I tell you, that was not easy. Until one day, one girl noticed it. She said, "Are you okay? There must be something that's going on in your life. You know, like when you're at work, you want to hide your personal life. But at that time, I was so vulnerable. I just thought, this person is a doctor." She was a doctor. I said, "I think she's the best person to tell what I'm going through." I told her. That lady was a godsend. She prayed with me. She advised me to go and seek counseling. Actually, she initiated the first sessions of counseling. And then I started that. And she used to come to my house just for us to chat. And just to make sure I'm not alone. I'm not always thinking about the divorce that I was going through. Guys, I don't know how to thank that woman. I'm going to go and rinse my face. So I'm going in with my deep cleansing oil. This one I just do the same thing and just do the same thing just to clear all the impurities on my skin. I don't like putting makeup on my skin, so most of my videos they're just makeup free. I just add a bit of light on my videos. Normally I don't put makeup, but it's one thing that I need to learn to do so that I could enhance my looks. Okay, back to my story. And then I started to heal slowly, learning to accept that people change. People can wake up and be monsters, and they may tell you that they love you today and tomorrow they're saying something different. I got to accept it through therapy that I went for. And during that time when I was going for therapy, I started going to the gym, started meeting people. I joined a group of people who were going through the same breakups and marriages and relationships. It was really helpful. And you know what? It's not only us. Sometimes when you look at yourself, you think maybe I'm not that kind of a woman who deserves a good man, or maybe I'm being left because I don't have levels. I'm not the classy woman. But when I joined that group, I realized that it's nothing to do with that. People just change. They just change and they go for whatever they like. That's who they are. And learn to accept. You see, I was in groups where there were also other people with the high profile jobs and everything, and you think this woman is put together. What is it that will make a man leave her? Nothing. But it just taught me that people just change. People just change, and they can just wake up one morning and they'll be telling you something that you don't even want to hear. They'll tell you something that you don't even want to hear. This is oil, guys. This is just oil. It removes any makeup, any impurities on the skin. So I'm going to go and wash it and wash it off. Okay, and then wash it off. It is all washed. And then this is toner. I just put it in I like putting my toner in the bottle, and I just spray it. Yeah. Sometimes I can go in with a cloth and just do the same thing. Sometimes I just leave it. But in this particular occasion, I'm just going to go through that. And okay, that's the toner. Okay, I'm going to spray it again and just leave so that it can dry on my skin. That's it. So the toner part is gone, and we were still talking about how I went through that divorce part, divorce thing. I started leveling up. I went to university. I tell you guys, that's the time I passed my assignments like never before. Because I was ready to upgrade myself. I was ready. You know what I mean when I say I was ready? I was ready. Okay. So I'm going to apply some CeraVe. I'm 51, guys. In case you don't know, I just turned 51 3 days ago. She's 51, this girl. She's 51 years old. She's 51. Yeah. Yeah. I started upgrading myself, went to university, and I did my first degree. Went back to do my second degree. That's a vitamin C. Vitamin C. I'm just going to spray it. I passed like never before. Passed my degree. Passed my master's degree. I remember one of my lecturers said, "Do you want to do a PhD?" I was like, I'm not going for PhD. I think I've had enough of them now. I've done my best. So I love spoiling my face. I'm going back with vitamin E. Those skin care gurus tell me that I'm not supposed to be using this at night. I use it. Ooh. Yeah, I love using my oil. Yeah, so I did my studies. It was amazing. Guys, I started feeling good about myself. Ooh, I started feeling good. I started traveling. I like going to nice places. Ritz Hotel for lunch, afternoon tea, rubbing shoulders with people who make sense, you know. Harold's, champagne bar, all that. Enjoying myself, you know, so that I just forget and just be that girl that I want to be, you know. Started doing all that. Life started changing. I started forgetting about all that, the divorce that I was going through. So this one is a 24 karat. That's the eye serum. It's the eye serum. Okay. For under eyes. So it's just that. Oh, there's another here. Why am I doing that one myself? Okay. So I started meeting people who make sense, you know, people who actually do like what I like. Started making new friends. They're amazing. Really amazing. And life started changing. All that crying ended. I still started continue to go to therapy, started joining the dance classes. I was doing the dances with other girls, with other guys as well who love dancing. And this is a first mist. Just going to apply it as well. Just putting everything. Okay, that's about it. And my lip, on my lip, I love this one for some reason. This is just an amazing it keeps my lips so moist. I love it. And the rest is history. Now I'm telling you about my relationships and stuff, but where I've come from. I've come a long way. I've brushed my teeth, okay? Teeth are clean. I've brushed them. So that's the only thing that I have to do now, is to find something to read. After doing this video with you guys, find something that I can read, and that's me done. So if you're going through that phase in life where you're going through divorce and you're through heartbreak, you're grieving, I hear you, I understand you. But I just want to let you know that life will change one day. It's okay to grieve, but what I don't like you to do is to grieve without a plan. Okay? You should have a plan that you're going to grieve for so many months, and then after so many months, or this year, if that's what you want, you can do that, because it's only you who knows how important your relationship was to you and those things that you're grieving. But whatever happens, you don't have to go back to ex. You don't go back to ex. That's what we do. Your ex is done. You're just healing. You want to move forward. That's it. So that's all you need. Right now, you need to follow people who have gone through that phase in life where they're struggling. As for me, you can send me messages. Ask me, Coach, I'm struggling with this. Can you please help me? I'll talk to you. I'll send you something that will help you, or I'll do a video that, because I know it's not only you who's been through this. A number of people are. Okay, so you know that most of videos that I do is because people ask me, Coach, what do you think I should do? It's not one person, and many people. So I just thought, okay, I'll put it in a video for me. Okay, so that's that. Ladies, there's a brighter future after divorce. You need someone to tell you this who has been through it. I have been. I'm in a really beautiful relationship. I can't complain. If I complain, God will ask me, what else do you want? But I don't want to lie to you that after divorce, things have been easy. I went through different types of dating, and I killed so many frogs. In the process, I have to say it, because I don't want you to think that I think there's something wrong with you because you've been to 3-4 dates and things are not okay. I've been through people that I thought, why am I being tangled up with this? And some even engagements. That's why I thought, wow, this was crazy. I shouldn't have done it. Okay, but we'll learn. We'll learn, and once we learn it, we don't do it. These are lessons. The pain lasts for a short time, but the lessons last forever. Okay, so cheer up, fine lady, cheer up. Things are going to be okay. Hope, guys, this has been so helpful. So this is my skin. She's 51 years old, and who wants to teach me how to do makeup? Leave your comment in the comment section, guys. I love you.